बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है पंजाब रेंट प्रीमिसेस एक्ट 2009। रेगुलेशन ऑफ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन लैंडलॉर्ड एंड टेनेंट to provide an expeditious mechanism for settlement of their disputes, not only for providing benefit to the parties but also helping in courts. Rationale behind enacting this act: creation of tenancy, section 5 to 10. General rules: a landlord shall not let out a premises to a tenant exception by tenancy agreement. Presentation of tenancy: agreement before rent registrar, entrance of particulars of tenancy in a register by rent registrar, affixation of official seal on tenancy agreement, retaining a copy of agreement, returning original agreement to the landlord. The landlord or the tenant are duty bound to register the tenancy agreement regardless its particulars has been entered in the prescribed register of rent registrar. Tenancy agreement before rent registrar is a proof of relationship between landlord and tenant. Procedure for creating tenancy under section 5. Particulars of landlord and tenant. Description of premises. Duration of tenancy. Rate of rent, rate of enhancement, due date and mode of paying rent. Particulars of the bank account of the landlord if payment through bank is a mode of paying rent. Purposes for which premises is let out. Amount of advance rent, security or pagdi if any. If duration of tenancy is fixed, but rent is fixed only for one part of duration. The rent shall be deemed to remains the same for the remaining duration in the absence of any stipulation to the contrary in tenancy agreements. Contents of the tenancy agreement. A tenant shall pay the rent to the landlord in the mode and on the date prescribed in the tenancy agreement. If date of payment is not mentioned, then the tenant shall pay rent not later than 10th date of the following month. If mode of payment is not mentioned, a tenant shall pay rent through money order or deposit in the bank account of the landlord. Mode of paying under section 7. An existing landlord and tenant are required to bring the tenancy in conformity with the provision of this act, not later than 2 years from the date of coming into force of this act. Existing tenancy under section 7. As a result of non-compliance, the rent tribunal shall not entertain an application. General rule: non-compliance on behalf of tenant unless a deposit or to fine equal to 5% of the annual value of the rent premises in the government treasury. Non-compliance of behalf of landlord unless he deposits a fine equal to the 10% for annual value of the rent of the premises in the government treasury. Effect of non-compliance under section 9. An agreement to sell or any other agreement entered into between landlord and tenant in respect of premises or for matter other than matter provided under tenancy agreement. Unless tenancy is revoked through a written agreement entered before the rent registrar in accordance with the provision of section 5. Effect of other agreement under section 10. So this is the next we will discuss the obligations of landlord and tenant under section 1213. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.